guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I last came on here and made a video for you guys, but it had been a hectic last 2 weeks for us. I went back to work and then I was trying to juggle going back to work after a whole year plus trying to spend time with my 1-year-old, which it was really hard for both of us because we got used to being together for the whole year. But we're getting adjusted. It's getting a little better, but I wanted to share with you guys a few deals that I did find at Target and Walmart, plus a few new items that I spotted at Dollar Tree. I know some people have already hauled these, but I hadn't seen them before at our local Dollar Tree, so I wanted to go ahead and share them with you. So the first item that I'm going to share with you guys is this Christmas sweater, and I thought it was really cute. I got it for only $9.98, and it came with this cute little beanie. And every year at work they do ugly Christmas sweater or just a Christmas sweater, so I thought it would be cute for next year. It was the only one that I found, and I did ask the associate that was there if there was any more, and she said that there weren't. Someone had actually returned this one, which I thought was super cute. I love the beanie, and it has the same little design in the bottom. And yeah, that was the first item that I found. The next good deal that I found were these sets. Usually these run for $9.98 or $12.50, $12.48, something like that, but these were $4.98, and I ended up getting one. I feel like I should have gotten more, but I just decided to go for just one. And then I also got this one for my husband, and I know these are usually $9.98, so they were 50% off, $4.48. Great deal, so I went ahead and just got him this one. It was the only one that I found this style. There weren't any more. I didn't even check to see if everything was in there, but yeah, everything is in there, and it smells really good. It comes with the body spray, the body wash, and the deodorant. So yeah, I thought it was a great deal, and I know if I would have waited, because usually these items do go for 75% off after a few more days had gone by after Christmas, but I didn't want to wait because, like I said, it was the only one. They did have like at least 8 more of these, but I only picked up one. So then there were also a few more other items from Walmart that I spotted, which I'll show you guys. So the reason why I didn't get those is because I usually buy the big bottles of hand soap, and I just refill the soap dispenser that I have at home. So I didn't find the need to buy the little ones if I already have 2 of the big bottles. So my sister-in-law did end up getting those because they were only 49 cents, which was a great buy. This isn't a deal from Walmart, but I thought it was such a good price for this beautiful mug. I was born in the 90s, so when I saw this, I just thought it was super cute. It has Hey Arnold, Rocko's Modern Life, has Rugrats, so I was super excited to find this, and I bought it for myself. It was $4.98, I believe. So yeah, I am in love with my new mug, guys. So next, it's going to be items from Target, and it's just a few items. It's not a lot, but okay. First of all, this top that I'm wearing right now, it was only $8, and it's a crop top, but it fits a little longer than usual than other crop tops do. Hi. Hi. So I found it wearable for me. I don't usually wear crop tops, but this is it has a pretty nice length to it, so I didn't mind. And then it's just a nice cozy shirt for any day, like running errands or just to hang out at home or go out on a little dinner date or something. So yeah, and then you can actually make it even shorter or, you know, a little more cleavage, but I'm not gonna do that. So super cute, and it was only $8. The next one that I found is another little everyday shirt. It's just a little tank top, a little muscle shirt. It has a little pocket, and this one was only $3. And my cousin gave me some Vans that are the exact same color as this, so I went ahead and bought this to wear with my Vans. This is a medium, but they do run pretty big. So even on me, it's gonna fit a little bit loose. But $3, guys, you can't go wrong with that. The next two items that I found, I still don't know who I'm gonna give these to, but we were shopping around for my sister-in-law's sister's baby who will be born in February. And we came across these cute little onesies, and these were only $2.38. She got a few of them, and then I got this one because it's such a good buy. And then if you ever have a last minute baby shower that you're trying to go to, or visit a newborn baby that you know, like a friend or, you know, just anyone, you have little sets already there ready to put in a little baby shower bag or a little gift bag, and you're ready to go. And then I found this little Mickey Christmas outfit, and it has a little Christmas hat. It has a little Santa hat. This one was also $2.99, but it's so cute. So I would just have to wait and see if anyone gets pregnant and has a baby boy around Christmas. But if not, I mean, this is just so cute. Look at how cute that is. For $2.99, Disney, you can't pass up on those offers. I forgot I had also gone to the 99-cent store. I am such a mess. I'm telling you guys, I'm such a mess right now, but I ended up finding some really good stuff at the 99, and I wanted to share them with you guys as well. First of all, it's these little Gerber puff snacks. My son loves these, and these usually run for like $1.96. In some places they're even $2 something. So at the 99-cent store they had them for $1, so I ended up picking up two, one for home and one for my parents' house for when they do watch him. And these are just super cool for $1. Super good. I even eat them myself. They taste like cereal. They're really, really good. And for $1, heck yeah, I should have bought more. But then after a while, they do go stale, so I didn't want to buy a whole bunch of them and ended up throwing them away. The next thing I bought were these beautiful little candle holders. And I'm putting these outside in a little table I have. Look at how gorgeous these colors are. These are so pretty. Sebastian, what are you doing? And I think these will go really good together, all three of them. So I'm gonna put them on the table like this together. So another thing that I found and I was so excited about were these little wooden letters. You can do so many DIYs with these guys. I am just ready to see what I can come up with. These were $3.99, and there's 168 pieces. They have little hearts and then all the letters in the alphabet plus a little and sign, which I'm really happy about. They had this design, and then they also had this design. These are so freaking adorable. It's smaller, and then these are a little bit bigger, but these look a little more elegant, a little more fancy. So yeah, these are so cute. You can paint these, you can put some glitter on there. These are gonna be so good for any DIY projects. The next item that I got was this little lock and seal container. These are awesome. When I go to work, I love these things because it will not spill, and it's really good to warm up your food. It doesn't get ugly because of the like the plastic ones. It doesn't get ugly. So this is really good. Bless you, puppy. This is really good for these will last you for a long time. I actually had two other ones, but I ended up losing them. I don't know how or where. I'm pretty sure because I take them to my parents' house with food for my baby, or sometimes at work I forget them. So I don't know what happened to the last two that I had, but yeah, I had to buy another one. And this one was $1.99. So they had a whole bunch of sales, 50% off any Christmas items, but I didn't need anything, and then I didn't want to just abandon it for a whole year. I didn't know where I was gonna put it for a whole year, so I didn't get anything. But I did get these gift tags, because you always need these. I feel like I always need these, and these are easy to store away for 50 cents. I'm not gonna pass up on a deal, you guys know that. The last item that I did get was this little beanie for my baby boy. This one was $1.99, but it is perfect for right now. He is a little sick still, so if we do go out, which we haven't been out all day today, but if we do happen to go out tomorrow or on Sunday, then this is perfect with his little outfits. He has a brown one as well and an all black one, so this is cute, so he can wear with a different outfit. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's been a while, but I have been super busy trying to adjust to working again full-time, overtime as well, and being home with my baby. I had been trying to come on here and at least tell you guys why I have been MIA for over a week, but every time I would, something would come up. My child and I were sick, so it just seemed like it was harder for me to upload, but I'm finally here. I hope I don't have to be gone for so long, because to me it felt like such a long time. It was only about a week, but I felt like I had been gone for so long and it just didn't feel right. So I'm sorry about that. I hope I can come on here more often, and thank you guys. I hope you guys had a great Christmas, and that you guys end your 2018 on a positive note. And then I also wish you guys a happy new year if I don't happen to come on before then. But thank you guys so much. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you aren't already, and have a good night. Thank you. Let's go. Next items that I will show you guys are from Dollar Tree, and it's these beautiful marble designed boxes with the silver glitter lids. These are so cute. You can display these on your desk, beauty room, in your office. These are just so pretty. I don't think I'll give these away as a present unless I know they'll appreciate a nice, good looking box like I do. I know I have a weird obsession with boxes, but I mean, they're just so cute. I find them so cute. I also got it in the gold lid. Same marble design, but just the gold glitter lid. And then I found the rose gold one, but it's not the marble design, it's just rose gold, and it has the cute little glitter with the bow on the lid. Then I also found these unicorn little boxed drawers. And this one I might give to my niece. ¿Qué pasó? This one I might give to my niece with a little gift card in there. Her birthday is coming up in about a week, so she's really into unicorns, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and do this for her. I ended up buying two because my other niece, Alyssa, who's always watching my videos, liked it, so I went ahead and got her one as well. But this is so cute. You can even stack these up and put them in your room, use them as little jewelry drawers. This is really, really cute for that. Okay, so then I also ended up finding these two little candle holders, which I would probably use as little flower vases for my restroom. Just put a whole bunch of white flowers on there, or red, and just put them on my little bathroom shelves. I really thought these were cute. I first saw them on Maricela and Sammy's YouTube, and I thought they were so cute, so I was really excited when I finally found these at my local Dollar Tree. And they actually only had 3 silver ones, which I was looking for 2, but the cashier ended up breaking one of them, and I ended up getting one that was a little ugly, but I mean, I don't mind. It's just going in my restroom, so it's fine. But I got lucky that there was 3 because one broke, and I ended up getting the third one.